In this video, how to make your Lego creation possibly become a Lego set. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to BrickBytes, building your Lego knowledge. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the BrickBytes YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to make your Lego creation possibly become a Lego set. So you built a Lego creation. Maybe you're thinking in the back of your mind, I wish I could make this Lego creation that I built an official Lego set. There is a way to do that. There is a Lego service called Lego Ideas, and a site where you can submit your Lego creation and it can potentially become an official Lego set. Many people all over the world are using this site, and you can do this for yourself. And what you have to do is of course take the picture of your Lego creation, and then then put in the necessary details that it tells you to put in, and then you have to get at least 10,000 supporters to support your project. Once it gets 10,000 supporters, and it will go through a review phase of Lego Ideas. It will decide which Lego creation will potentially become an official Lego set. Your Lego creation may not get chosen to be an official Lego set, and you just gotta be okay with that. But if it does, then it does feel awesome to have your Lego creation become an official Lego set. I highly recommend you give it a try, and maybe you can get your Lego creation to become an official Lego set one day. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the BrickBytes YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time.